Hey, guess what? Hawaiian Airlines is the greatest airlines. Everybody should support them. But who's the greatest chef?
Man in the pan!
Big Chuckle! There's two beautiful sisters here from HouseMart. Hey, HouseMart, you guys do amazing things. They are doing this Make-A-Wish Foundation for Kapi'olani Hospital. Hey, but who's the greatest guy?
Man with the pan!
Man in the pan, Big Chuckle! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something very, very special all for you. I'm going to make taco poke. It's really, really interesting and very, very easy. I'm not going to even heat up the pan. First, you grab the taco, you put it in the pan, just like this. Then it's about half pound of taco. You could slice the whole cooked taco or just use this pre-sliced taco. Then in the taco, I added in about a tablespoon of sugar. And I marinate it and mix it up and I let it sit there maybe for 10 minutes. The longer it sits there, the softer it gets. Then I grab my ginger. Okay, see the ginger? Cut them all up. Really, really slice it. Now, you notice I will use my knife now, okay? I want to make it very, very small. So I hold the tip down and I move the handle up and down. You know, you just keep on doing that. Bang, bang, bang. I mean, that thing will come out really, really good. Anytime you want to dice something, this is the safest way to do it. And I just put it in. Just about inch and a half of ginger. Then I add in some green onions. You notice there's two kinds of onions. The one with the tip on, that's basically the one that's local. And the one without the tip is basically from the mainland. So I add in about maybe 2 inches, chop up really fine, put it in the pan. Then I grab some of these crushed red peppers. Crushed red peppers is so ono. Put in less than a teaspoon inside, okay? And I mix it up. Then I add in right into the pan. I add in about 2 tablespoons of shoyu. I find it easy to use the pan as a bowl because there's a handle and your hand doesn't get dirty. And there you go. Taco poke. Let it sit for an hour or so. The taco will get very, very tender. It's gonna look good, but let's see how it tastes. Wow. Oh, this burger is so ono. Wow. And it gets softer and softer as it marinates for longer and longer. Okay, there you go. Wow. So, until next week, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Aloha.